In biology, we use Venn diagrams pretty often, but sometimes it feels boring and you might think, can't I do something more than circles? And the answer is yes, you can. There are several libraries in R which can do quite unusual shapes, and I will show you how you do it. First, you have to make some lists. The easiest way is to generate series of letters, let's say 6 letters per list, in total 6 lists, and this is what there are. For those lists, sometimes you will need colors. Let's make colors. And the names of the lists are pretty simple, capitals A, B, C, D. The first library to test is a ggvenn. It is in cran. It can do maximum 4 lists. Let's do it. First of all, you can do like this. And then, even though we have a 6 list, it makes the maximum of 4. What is good here that it shows not only numbers, it can show elements within, and say Z is present in B and C, F is in A and D, and so forth, so forth. But of course you can switch to a regular style, and then it will be numbers and percentages. This is actually a regular shape, oval, circle, that's standard. Eulerr. Eulerr can do Eulerr diagrams and Venn. Let's do Eulerr first. Yeah, that's unusual and highly irregular, of course, and it's puzzling. Sometimes it is useful, sometimes it isn't. We can do Venn and then plot it again. Now it is more regular, more organized, and you feel the difference that Venn follows strictly identical shapes, all combinations possible are represented, and you choose what you want. The next one will be just Venn. It is a record breaker, one of the libraries which can do many, let's say 6 can do for sure, but there is a caveat. The numbers what it gives here are not our results of intersections, it's something else which I don't know. And you can say when just a number inside, and it will do numbers. Nice shapes, but for the practical purpose is a bit useless. nVennR is another unusual Venn drawing tool. Again, let's draw our 6 lists of letters. If I say show, somehow it doesn't work. I have to go to my desktop and then find the file svg. It's an unusual shape. Sometimes it is useful. In this particular case, not really. So good luck with this in other circumstances. The next one is the Vennerable. Surprisingly, I installed it a few weeks ago on other computer, now again, and the installation changed. Now the necessary packages for Vennerable, Graph and RBGL are moved to a biconductor, and so you have to do it from biconductor. They are not loaded automatically anymore. After all this trouble, you still can load Vennerable. If you don't know exactly how to operate, you can call vignettes, nice vignettes, and short, optimistic colors, very happy colors. And it supports different shapes, not only those circles, and you will see it in a moment. Yeah, the logic is first you call Venn and then you plot Venn. Because after calling Venn, it calculates all these intersections, and then you plot it, and then it does it. So it can do triangles, it can do circles, of course. It can do ovals. Which is not ovals. Squares as well. Squares are probably the most exciting and useful at the same. Not the most exciting. I don't know. It's you decide what is the most exciting. So we can increase the numbers. Then it goes this way. And now we do not specify the shape. The program specifies itself. 5. Now we get Edwards. It's not Venn, not Euler. It is a Edwards diagram. And further away, it is a more complicated Edwards. Quite fun. And if you say, yeah, there are these parameters which are not always easy to handle. Do Euler true, for instance. Cheating. And it can go on and on. So have a fun with this, good luck, and till next time.